Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and today is New Year's Eve and we are going to be getting my life together for 2021. I have a list, a mental list of things that I want to do. Right now I'm starting to hit like that 3 p.m. like tired slump. So I'm going to turn on some music and try to clean my room. Will my room stay clean for more than like 3 to 5 days? No. However, it will be clean for January 1st. We've got a pile of clothes here. Don't ask me why they're on the ground. We've also got a pile of clothes here. Don't ask me why they're in a shoebox. I don't know. And then overall, we just have a mess. Also, let me show you my outfit of the day. Very fancy. This is from Urban Outfitters. I never say that, but this is from Urban Outfitters. It's a Mickey Fantasia sweatshirt.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Plain black leggings, and then these Mickey Mouse socks. So we are all like Disneyed out for the new year. First thing, cleaning all of this up. No, first thing, turning on some music. I'm feeling some 5 Seconds of Summer. That, I don't know why, but that is just the vibe. Oh, if you're not already, go check out my podcast, Atypical 20s. Don't mind the country playlist right there. Okay, I cleaned my room. It still needs some work, but I'm taking a break to go eat dinner. Here's what it kind of looks like. Yeah, that still needs some work, and I obviously have a lot of laundry there. Still have more work to do when I get back, and definitely need to work on some laundry. But for right now, we're gonna go get dinner. I think we're going to Moe's, which is seriously the best Mexican food. Way better than Chipotle, way better than Qdoba. I just checked my email and I realized the Calm app sent this end of year journal thing. They sent this 2020 reflections journal and then a 2021 intentions thing. So I think I might write these things down like on my iPad or something because I have a journal on my iPad. That was good, a little bit challenging because I'm not the best at like journaling and stuff. That took me about 45 minutes because there was a lot of questions and then there was a whole like page. It's only 7 o'clock. I cannot be yawning. I have a lot longer to stay up. There was a whole page at the end where you could write about 2020 and then about 2021. I completely forgot that the Passion Conference. It's like a Christian conference for young adults, but it's online this year. I forgot that they have that at like 9 o'clock. I have time to do a yoga class, so I think I'm gonna do this hour-long yoga class by Yoga with Cassandra. It's called Yin Yoga. I've never done that and I don't know what that is, so I'll update you later. Hopefully it's not hard. Update. I've realized what Yin Yoga is. Basically it's where you hold a pose for just an insane amount of time. And it's not that it's a difficult pose, it's actually an extremely easy pose, but you're holding that pose for like 7 minutes and I'm bored. So we're gonna find a different like basic normal yoga class. Just gonna do like a 15-minute, 20-minute. Oh, I'm so dumb. Why am I looking on YouTube? I have a yoga app. And I'm like, I can't find anything that I want. I literally have a yoga app. Am I okay? This vlog is a mess. I have the Down Dog app. Highly, highly recommend. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. I would actually pass out if they wanted to work with me because I freaking love them. It's updating right now, but that's what it looks like. Note to self, don't do 25 minutes of level 2 full practice yoga when you haven't done yoga in months. I feel like I'm dead. I think I just need a minute to sit down and chill before I try to go take a shower because that yoga class, it killed me. Something else I wanted to do was change this Christmas background, which you can't really see right now because of how much stuff I have on my desktop. I'm going to switch this to more of a vision board. I think I have some. I might use an old one or I might make a new one. I don't know yet. But let's clean this up and I'll show you the end result. Okay, a very long time later, this is what it looks like. I did just make a brand new one. Wanted to go with like a 2021 kind of vision board vibe, so I just started from scratch. I have a whole tutorial up on how to make these, so I'll link it in the cards and in the description. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, things have gone a little bit astray. It's fitting, honestly. So, you know how I showed you my outfit earlier? It's from Urban Outfitters, this cute Mickey Fantasia sweater. Yeah, I went to take a shower, took off the sweatshirt, and my entire torso and arms were gray. Gray. It was literally like the inside. I wonder if oh my gosh. Wait, watch, I'm gonna make this happen. I don't know, oh, literally, okay, get to the point, Jessica. This sweatshirt dyed my skin gray, and you're probably thinking, why didn't you wash it first? I did. I always wash my clothes before I wear them the first time, so I definitely washed this. Imagine my surprise when I took off the sweatshirt and realized that I looked like this. So I got in the shower and I was like trying to take it off with water. That did not work. No, it did not. So I like scrubbed my body with soap, as one does. It kind of worked, like it kind of took it off, but not all the way. So I took my body scrub, took a ton of that, and like just started scrubbing it off. And then I did the whole soap thing again, and then I did another layer of the body scrub. And then it finally all came off. I'm so confused. I was in the shower for probably 40 minutes. Yep, 40 minutes. I've missed the Passion Conference start thing, and I don't want to start it now because I don't want to like join in the middle and not know what's going on, you know? It's like 9:30. I have 2.5 hours until midnight. I'm just now starting to realize how sad this vlog is. Actually, it's not that sad because I'm being safe and staying home and avoiding the virus. I'm gonna go wash this off my hand. Oh my gosh. Why? Why? A relaxing evening, she said. A self-care night, she said. Huh? I don't think so.
Didn't want to do with me, so I finally get that through my head and I started dating someone else and now it's a problem. How would you feel if you were with someone else? Like,
My hair has curled up so much. That's crazy. What can you do? I started watching the Ariana Grande what's it called, documentary, and I did not like it at all. Not that I don't like her. I mean, I'm not a fan, but I'm not like not a fan, you know? Started watching that and it was not good. It was basically just a concert with very random clips in between, like every 4 songs or something. Now I'm watching Teen Mom 2, which I realize is like, of all things you would watch, why Teen Mom 2? I don't really know. I used to watch this in 6th grade, which is kind of like bad. me and my best friend at the time used to watch this show and we loved it and we would talk about it all the time. So it's just kind of like nostalgic and it's really funny because all of the like 2000s trends, like the phones and the makeup and everything, it's just like nostalgia. I don't know. I'm not proud of it. However, they put it on Netflix for a reason, so please let me know if anyone else is like this. Like, did you watch Teen Mom 2 when you were 10? Now you're watching it again at 21. Anyone else? I don't know. Anyway, it's 11:46. It's almost midnight. This has been the most uneventful New Year's Eve of my life. That's okay. Wouldn't have it any other way, honestly. What's it called, an app on my phone? I have an app. Oh my gosh, am I okay? Oh crap. What? I'm gonna go to the living room and why am I talking with one eye open?